Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to check a palindrome number in a Python. Don't worry if you are a beginner, this program is very easy. Okay, let's start. It's a palindrome number in Python. Num equals to 1 to 1, reverse equals to int of str of num, close it and open the bracket, common bracket, colon colon minus 1, close it. If I am using if here, num equals to reverse colon print of palindrome, else print of not palindrome. See here, why I'm using num equals to 1 to 1 means here I'm storing the number 1 to 1 in a variable called num, and here I'm using reverse equals to int of str num, right? This line is in this line first I convert the number into a string using str of num. Okay, then this colon minus 1 is used to the reverse the string, and after reversing I convert it back into an integer using int and store it in a variable called reverse. Okay, and next I am using here if else here, because here I am checking whether the original number and the reversed number are equal or not. And next I am using print here, because if both numbers are equal the program prints palindrome. Okay, I am using else here because if the numbers are not equal the else block will execute. And this line prints also, you know that those are not palindrome or not palindrome, is palindrome or not palindrome, like that. Okay, what do you mean by the palindrome? Palindrome means a palindrome is a number is that reads the same forward and a backward, that is called as the palindrome. Okay, okay, now I will execute. You can see the output on the screen, right? If the number is the same after reversing, it prints palindrome. This program is a very important for Python beginners and interview questions. If you understood this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.